My name is Doshant, and I'm also did internship here at ACE, which has been a great experience. So as a kid, I was really interested into doing engineering type of things, and moving forward from year 12, as I came from India to Australia to pursue my studies, I looked into mechatronics engineer, which was a great field, as I was already interested in the engineering field, and robotics is a part where world is moving rapidly, and it's been innovative, and the technology is moving at a quick pace. As example, you can consider the automation here at ACE, which is the core part of mechatronics, and that is the reason that I fell in love with mechatronics. I believe that this was the right option moving forward for my future. Here at ACE, I did the manual training for various SCADA systems like SCADA, SCADA, and Ignition. And I also worked with some of the PLCs like Siemens, Allen Bradley, and had a great understanding about how they are implemented in the real world, and I gained a lot of experience. And it has been a really nice journey throughout. One of my favorite memory is that I was given a task to set up a modem for a site, and I had to configure it to get it to work with the central system of the SCADA. So it was able to communicate and send data, which can be retrieved, and it will be available to view on your mobile device. I did that here in the company ACE, and I had the opportunity to go at the site as well. I went with another fellow intern. We went to the site, we installed the modem, but we faced some of the technical difficulties. But with the help of senior engineer and contacted the company, we were able to sort it out on the site. And by the end of the day, we were able to successfully implement the modem and get the system up and running. And it was a really good experience, as the client was also satisfied, and he was really happy that he was able to view the data and he has no stress in mind. And I believe which is the core main point here at ACE, that they want the customer satisfaction to be first, and they go above and beyond to deliver that. And it has also somehow simmered into me as well that moving forward I will also be doing same, as this is an experience that you learn, and going forward you want to do something that you really like, and at the end of result you want it to be excellent, and when you give it to the customers or the clients and they are satisfied with your product and they come back to you. The advice that I like to give is that when you start as an intern or as a graduate, is that you give your best, give your 100%, which is essential, as the company doesn't necessarily look into how exceptional your skills are, but how committed you are to delivering the work, and you're going the extra mile to put into the work and the effort to get the product or the work done which has been assigned to you. And I believe that as an intern or as a graduate, you should keep into mind that it's always a learning curve for you. And even if you get stuck in the deep ends, there are always people around you to help. And that is really the experience that you get as a graduate, and you get to focus on one field that you like, and you can master that field. And I believe that's the best way to go about it. The work environment here at ACE is really great, and it's really collaborative and friendly, and the experience has been really great, as some of the fellow engineers and even the interns who has more experience than me, they were always willing to help me whenever I got stuck into any problems or situations. They never were like too busy. They always spared a couple of their minutes to have a look, and if they couldn't get back to me straight away, they would look at it the next day. Everyone is involved with each other. They keep check on into each other, and whenever somebody is facing difficulties, there was always people around here to help you out, and they always have your back to move forward and deliver the best to the clients or whatever the problem is. And I believe that's a really great thing about a company, when they are behind you and able to support you moving forward. I would definitely recommend working here as an intern engineer or as a graduate engineer, as I believe it is necessary for a person to look into a field and specialize that. And here at ACE, they specialize in automation and expand into water utilities, power, gas, renewables, and moving forward you can explore your options and find a field that you really like. And it has been a great experience for myself, and I believe others will find it likewise. So overall here at ACE it has been a lovely journey, and I've gained a real-world experience on the automation industry and the control side of things. And moving forward I believe it will really impact my future of how it will be shaped together.